No, it's a video of a loser. All right, we're to the flywheel, clutch, transmission stage. Got this pretty much buttoned up. We decided to wait on the intake. We can probably drive these in a little bit more. I feel a little bit better about that.
That's all the further they wanted to go.
Oh, okay. So we're gonna let it hang here for a little bit, and then we'll put the flywheel and the clutch and the transmission, everything on there, and then we'll try and get it in the car. Hopefully I made enough room.
Here,
Bashing that tunnel out.
grab those bolts right over there.
These, you said you wanted to use red Loctite?
I would, but if everybody's saying blue Loctite is good enough, then that's good enough.
Nah, red.
Let's just put one or two in there, just so it don't fall off. And then we'll go ahead and get our proper wrench sizes and get our blue Loctite.
Okay.
Unless you want to go with red. It's your motor. You tell me what you want to do.
What's your gut?
I say red.
I'm probably alright with red then. We'll make red work.
Right then. Where do we put our red?
It's probably still in that O'Reilly's bag. How much of that grease are we gonna have to put on that bushing to stuff it up in there?
Just a little bit.
Okay.
That you pack it full of grease to remove it, but you just lube the needle bearings for installation. And hopefully we've got some sort of a socket or something that we can use as a drift to pop those in with. Definitely has some pretty strong plastic. Oh, I need those snips now.
Probably need to sharpen that knife up.
Just a little dabble do ya, like Bro Cream.
And we asked about the locating pin, and the consensus is you don't need one. So,
Right.
anybody out there, is that you sure that's how? Yeah, I guess that's the only way it can go on. You sure that's how it goes on?
Yeah, the locating pin is
Yeah, but can it go the other way around?
I don't see how.
Oh, okay. I didn't know. I thought that this was carved out to go over top of that.
So, and then some of the guys were saying they just used the flex plate bolts
Yeah.
to bolt the flywheel on, but
Yeah, so that's another thing we ran into was we got to this point, and then an automatic coming off of this car. We pulled the flex plate off, and it had just normal bolts,
the threads going clear to
like that. Visual focus, yep. And then our new ones have these shoulders built into them. Hold on a second. Let's see if it'll focus here. These are the ARPs. Let's see. Hello. Come on, camera. There it goes. Something like that. But you can see good. It's good enough. You can see the shoulder that's on there. There it is. So yeah, these are the ARPs with the shoulder built on. That way, once you get it up in there, this flywheel rests on that shoulder and doesn't waller these threads all out, and then I don't know, I guess possibly come off, which would be a disaster. What size is that?
13-ish. This won't work. We've got to have a 12 point.
12 point.
12.13-ish, I would say.